Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you easy to follow steps on how to make Windows 11 faster. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. The first thing we're going to do is turn on Storage Sense. This deletes junk files and helps free up space on your hard drive. So on your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. This takes you to the settings page. Now scroll down and click Storage. Scroll down a bit. Over here on Storage Sense, ensure that this switch is turned on. Now scroll up a bit and click Temporary Files. Now on this page, you want to tick all the checkboxes except Downloads, or you can tick Downloads if you don't mind everything in your Downloads folder being deleted. Once you're okay with your selection, click Remove Files. Click Continue. Now next thing we're going to do is disable Startup Apps. This helps free up system resources, making your computer a bit faster. Once again, press the Windows key and I to go to the settings page. Now click Apps. Down here, click Startup. Now on this page, you want to turn off any applications that have high impact on startup by toggling the switches next to them. If you have an antivirus or any other critical apps, you can leave them on. Next, we're going to disable some unnecessary visual effects. Click the Windows icon, then type Environment Variables. Hit enter to open this up. Now over here on Performance, click Settings. Click Adjust for Best Performance. As you can see, this disables all effects. You can keep this option and this one up here. Now click Apply, then click OK. Click OK to close this page. The next thing you can do to make a computer faster is uninstall unused applications. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I to go to the settings page. Now click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Now on this page, scroll through the list of installed applications and look for any apps you do not use frequently. When you find an application you want to uninstall, click the three dots next to it, then click Uninstall. Click Uninstall to begin the process. Repeat this process for any applications you do not use frequently. Next, we're going to update the drivers. Go back to the settings page by pressing the Windows key and I. Click Windows Update. Scroll down and click Advanced Options. Now down here, click Optional Updates. Click Driver Update. We see a list of available updates. Just tick all of them. Now click Download and Install. Ensure that your PC is connected to the internet for this to work. Once the download is complete and the installation is complete, restart your system. At this point, your computer will be running much faster. If your computer uses a hard disk drive, I recommend upgrading it to an SSD if your PC supports it. Let me show you how to check the kind of drive you have. Click the Windows icon, then type Defragment and Optimize Drives. Hit enter to open up this option. Now over here, you can see I have a solid state drive, but yours might be a hard disk drive. I recommend looking up your system's model number online to see if it supports an SSD and consider upgrading to an SSD if it does. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.